points from every duo. Hindi ko lang siguro na-expect yung 3 points from Mika. Sakit. Kaya kong lumaban para sa kanya. Kaya ko siyang protektahan hanggat sa makakaya ko. It hurts to see na we're not on the same page. So is this just a game? Kasi kung game lang pala to, edi huwag na tayo maglabasan ng emotions. Grabe. So if competition pala to, then so be it. Diba? I guess not everyone you fight for will fight for you. I feel that she kind of broke the trust that I gave her kasi pinagkatiwalaan ko po talaga siya. She knew all of my goals, my dreams, my ambitions. Kinilala ko siya, and amidst all of that, may kakayahan pala siyang magbigay sa amin ng 3 puntos.
Ilang sandali pa, sina Mika at Brent muling sinubukang lapitan si Bianca.
Kaya,
It's maharap-harap. Sabunutan.
need ka lang ng konting time. Promise. I just need time lang. Need time lang.
Single out.
Need time. Need ka lang.
Actually, yung mahirap na part dun, kuya, si Bianca pa nagturo sa akin kung paano mag-nominate ng maayos. Tumitingin sa task, sa galaw sa bahay, and hindi sa relationship.
Honestly, gusto ko sabihin na I'm okay because that's what we always say, but I'm not. I feel very betrayed. And it's really painful. I can take many countless 3 points kahit mula pa sa inyong lahat ng paulit-ulit. But from that one person, it hurts, it sucks.
Hindi ko inaasahan na magagamit ko sa kanya yung tinuro niya. And nakaka-guilty yung part na yun, kuya. Pero at the same time, out of anyone in this house, alam ko maiintindihan niya yun.